Good morning, USD 365 Greeley Elementary parents. This is Parental Rights Issues That Matter PSA. So what are some parental rights in an IEP? So a little bit of history about parental rights. John Locke in 1690 stated that all parents, by law of nature, are under an obligation to preserve, nourish, and educate their children. Locke's understanding of this rights and obligation of parents to direct the upbringing of their children appears to reflect the common law understanding of this today. So some history of some case studies that dealt with some parental rights. First was the case of Troxler versus Grainfield in 2000 was the right of parents to direct the upbringing, education, and care of their children. The second one was Wisconsin versus Yoder in 1972. This primary role of parents in the upbringing of their children is now established beyond debate as an enduring American tradition. So, what is an IEP? An IEP is an individualized educational plan that is created by a team to meet the needs of your child. So, who makes up this team? You as a parent, administration, teacher, and sometimes a case manager. So, what are some parental rights? You have the right to participate. You have the right to consent. You have right to written notice. You have the right to inform in disciplinary actions. You have the right to written educational records. So, an IEP meeting, you have the right to parental rights. You have the right to express any concerns you may have. You may ask any questions. You can give any input that you would like, and you may invite anyone to the meeting. So, some procedures and participations for an IEP. First, you see if your child is eligible for services. Second is an evaluation will be set up to observe and see what services are needed. Third is an IEP meeting will be set up with you participating in, and then a reevaluation will be done. Setting up for an IEP, you will receive a written notice and consent. Your written notice will be done at least 10 days in advance, either via mail or email. You can have consent for evaluation and placement for the actual IEP, any services that will be added or changed or may be taken off, and any outside services that are needed for your child's best interest. Some responsibility as a parent. You need to make sure your child is ready for school each day, making sure that they have good attendance, checking in and communicating with their classroom teachers, and give any emergency contact information to the office, and going through any correct order of command if you have any issues. Because together we can work together as a team to make your child's success and experience a good one at school. That's my references. If you have any other questions, you may give me a call at the USD 365 office. Thank you.